Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Rehan Haider and I am foundation level student at Rehan School Islamabad Parakor campus. Today I watched TEDx talk video and the title is The First 20 Hours uh, How to Learn Anything. The first 20 hours How to Learn Anything by Josh Kaufman is a highly motivational and educational talk that focuses on process of learning new skills and effectively the main idea of this title that anyone can become good at a skill if they practice it with focus and consistency for the first 20 hours. First 20 hours. The talk breaks the myth that the beginning stage of learning is the most important. One of the main points of this talk is overcoming fear and frustration. Many people avoid learning new things because they think they are too old, not talented enough, or feared of making mistakes. Josh Kaufman explained that the hardest part of learning is the first few hours because beginners often feel uncomfortable and confused. However, he encourages people to continue practicing instead of giving up early. According to him, small progress every day can lead to big improvement. Another important point is the power of practice. The talk explained that simply spending time on a skill is not enough. A person must practice with attention and purpose. Josh Kaufman suggests breaking a skill into smaller parts and learning one step at a time. This method make learning easier, faster, and less stressful. He believes that smart practice is more effective than endless repetition. The title also focuses on removing distractions. In today's world, people often lose focus because of social media, phones. Josh Kaufman explains that deep concentration is necessary during the learning process. Giving full attention to practice sessions help the brain understand and remember new information more quickly. Another major theme is confidence and self-growth. Learning a new skills gives people a sense of achievement and improves self-belief. The talk motivates listeners to try things they once thought were impossible, such as learning a language, playing an instrument, cooking, drawing, or public speaking. It teaches that talent is not always natural. It can be developed through patience and effort. The language of the talk is simple, practical, and inspiring. Josh Kaufman uses real life examples and personal experience to explain his ideas in an easy way. His message encourages people to stop waiting for the perfect time and start learning immediately. Overall, the first 20 hours to how to learn anything is an inspiring and useful talk that teach the importance of practice, patience, focus, and confidence. Josh Kaufman delivers a powerful message that anyone can learn almost anything if they are willing to dedicate time, effort, and determination during the first 20 hours of practice. So, this is my today TEDx Talk review. I hope you like it. Inshallah, we meet next TEDx Talk video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.